I could. Only if I could. If I could. If I could. Damn. Only if I could. Only if I could. If I could. Cause it seems like ever since rapping my lyrics is getting colder, and women I once dated just seeming to get older. It's hard to find a place to keep you from being sober. You trying to get baked, but everyone can't be over, and it seems like money surrounds everything. If I go broke, how will I afford a wedding ring? How will I afford a wedding ring if the fact that money is the only thing upsetting me? Pops always told me keep your money saved up, put it somewhere you can't find it just in case you stayed up thinking about the things like drugs that can get you paid up. But reality is something when you getting raised up, made up. Is this really who I wanna be like? Taking hits off a blunt, staring in the moonlight while we chilling out back and we sipping on a beer, slurring hard while we talking about who's tight and who's right. I'm the kid who used to sit all alone at the playground, sad, staring in my little phone, trying to calm my mom up so I could try and go home. Until middle school, now I feel I'm really well known. Now I feel I'm well known, and the people long ago, yeah, they somewhat well gone. What's a house if you missing love but the rail zone? I can't wait to know there's only heaven and the hell's gone. I'll be on. Can I get a one-way ticket to Cali? Blow a lot of trees, I'll be at it in that rally. Call me a statistic, you can mark me with a tally. I'm just anxious to be famous, call me William Cali. Without me, I'm still aiming for the cash. They say to always be first, but somehow I end up last. They tell me that love hurts, and I'm the one who just laughs. I never thought I'd get hurt, but thinking back makes it bad. It makes me mad to know that people need help, and I'm not the one to criticize. You share a little wealth. What's $1 to $1 million? You could do it for yourself. Why can't everyone be caring, helping everybody else? I know it's hard, but you already knew that. Rolling the cigar, realizing that it's too fat. Similar to money, asking where the fuck they do that. Sick of answering questions like where'd I leave my shoes at? They asking who that, but you should know my name, cause I'm sick of saying D-Flow. It just gets a little strange when you well known in black. Plus you always in the lane, rolling swishers up fat, trying to make the weather change like a game where you can say fuck it, I think I'm done. Addicted to spitting lyrics, cause ever since I was young I've been listening to Nas, taking lyrics from Big Pun. I don't wanna be a player, I just wanna be the one. It was fun, staying out until 1. My mom would get pissed cause I was her youngest son. Used to hang around the block, hitting doors and then we run, trying to make it back home before someone seen us come. I was stunned to know that my city is where it's at, and everyone on my team addicted to fitted caps. Everyone smoking green, addicted to blowing back, and everyone on the scene addicted to loud pack. Only if I could, I'd change this place, cause living should be a given. It shouldn't be about race or war, not even guns. It shouldn't be about fate. What is life when you giving one but taking one away, huh?
I miss you most of all.
Only if I could.